Guess who? LA Nick. Back in the yard. Someone saw a tank they wanted, and I'm trying to find it for them. But, you know, if you leave anything, if you don't grab something here right when you see it, I mean, this is a massive property. You'll never find it again. He was wanted a little Honda tank. Well, there's so many tanks here, and I know the video he's talking about, and I know where I was. I know I didn't come back this far in the yard, so it had to be from here down. So I remember talking about that Benelli motor. So that's a Benelli 125 motor. Or actually, that might be a 175. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope, 125. And I didn't come past these weeds. So it had to be up this area somewhere. And it was a Honda tank with the green wing. Old metal tank. Look at all these bikes, man. The weeds are finally getting thin enough that you can see them all. But trying to find this guy's tank. I don't see it, man. Yamaha 400 tank, rack roached out. It was a nice little silver tank Honda with the green wing. Okay, it wouldn't be around here. This is all scrap. And it wasn't in a tank. It wasn't in a bin. It was laying by itself on the ground. I remember talking about these drag specialty things. I remember talking about those in that video. So I'm in the right ballpark. Anyone see it? Honda tank. Another Benelli motor. More Benelli motors around than I thought. I don't see the Honda tank though. And ain't no one been here, so ain't no one moving anything. And it was out in the open. It wasn't buried in a bin. It was like laying like right there. I'm going to go exactly the path I went when I walked down that last video. This is the path I took. I walked right down here. But I'm pretty sure it was laying on the ground, so it wouldn't be in this section. And I made the turn up here. All tanks up there too. Yeah, here's it. Get dirty in there. Already dirty. They can finally start seeing bikes again through the weeds. Okay, so I made this turn in that video. Seats. Lots of seats. Okay, I made this turn. We looked at all these seats. We looked at this sport bikes. Suzuki, Honda, European trailer, BMW trailer, fenders, lots of shocks, electric fans. Okay, now we're back here again. So it wasn't that Honda tank because it was silver. There's another Honda tank, but that ain't it either. Could this be it? This was on the ground right there. I just picked it up and put it here. It's a solid tank. It's got some surface rust, but doesn't have any total rot. I don't know what it fits, but it ain't rotted. It's got no rot. Just light surface rust. And no dents. If that's the one you're talking about, let me know. I don't know what it fits. It's got threaded. There's threaded. But yeah, it's in good shape. Just needs to be sanded down and repainted. Inside isn't even rusted. Looks like it had it full of oil. So if that's the one you want, let me know. Sell it to you cheap. I'll give you a good deal on it. So, oh, there's one there too. I guess there's 3 Honda tanks, so I don't know which one you were looking at. They seem to be, this one and that one, I think are the same. This one's dented though. This one's got all kinds of dents. That one doesn't have any dents at all. That's a nice tank. Just needs to be repainted. Might have a little tiny dent right there. Yeah, it's got a little dent right there. That's it though, no other dents, just right there, which could be popped. These are all junk. It's a mountain too, man. You're talking thousands of tanks, but they're all junk. This is all scrap pile. Go to scrap because they're all got holes in them. Not all of them do, but most of them. They're all going to the scrap pile. Scrap, man, melt it down. See the sport bikes now. The weeds finally died down. Skeletons. Sport bike skeletons. Still a lot of good usable parts though. You need foot pegs, your rear sets, your gauges, front ends. You know, you got a front end collision. All the front ends are still good. Still a lot of good parts. See a lot of sport bikes come in crashed. Not too many cruisers come in crashed, but a lot of sport bikes come in crashed. They get picked over quick though. A lot of people are still building sport bikes. Stuff, when you see stuff like this, it was stolen. Someone stole that bike and they spray painted it with cans. Rode it for a couple of weeks until they got caught. See a lot of those. Seems like there's a lot of stolen sport bikes more than any other bike. Anyway, you see that's the tank you want, let me know. I am going to get back to what I was looking for. Alright guys, have a great day. See you later.